Yo, 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 yo. It's been a minute. Just wanted to do a quick unbagging. We got first the Zoom Rev PE. PE usually means somebody's name is on these. These aren't the first pair I've had, but this is the first PE version I've had. And these are the Draymond green Zoom Revs. He wears these. Pretty nice. I like the black and gold for obvious reasons. The tech here is some zoom right there in the forefoot, much like the PG1 and PG2. Some of the all of the Kyries up until the Kyrie 4 were like that. I haven't put these on yet, so I don't know how cushy that is. I didn't really like this in the PG2. I think it felt better in the PG1. I don't know what they changed on that, but we're gonna find out probably tonight. There's Draymond's number 23. Pretty nice. Just a mesh shoe, nothing special. It's a low budget basketball shoe. Looks like it's got some really, really good grip on there. And, it's got your little faux leather there. Not bad. In case with your Zoom, Got these at the Nike outlet for the extra 20% off. They were already marked down to 59, I believe. So that's a good deal for a basketball shoe. The second shoe I've had my eye on for a while. These, I call these the poor man Travis Scott's. But these are the Air Pippens. These were marked down to, I think, 69, 59? Maybe they were 59. Nike outlet, they still had an extra 20% off. But this poor man Travis Scott's. The Air Pippen logo there. Plenty of air there to go around, your max air. I've had traction on other Pippen Uptempos before, and it's worked out pretty well. No issues with that. It's a heavy shoe, man. This shoe has some weight to it because it's old tech, but I got it for the design and the way it looks. I just like it. I love it. I like this color. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a postage stamp there. I'm not really sure on the backstory of this shoe, but it says, delivery. So, thought these were pretty dope. I'm always down for some Pips. I love Pips line of shoes. I love Air Uptempos. They're just my favorite. I rarely play in them because they're heavy, but sometimes I get a little nostalgic and throw an insert in there and go hoop in them. That's what I do sometimes. So, there you have it. Just a quick unbagging from your local Nike outlet.